Alright, here we go.
Drive with one hand.
Alright, here goes our attempt at getting out. Well, you can't really see from this, the little tiny space we had to squeeze through that I shoveled, so looks like it's going to be some three-point turning and smashing into some snow here. Oh yeah, this is going to be a little tricky. Alright. Oh, that backside is, oh, just squeezed out of there. Sweet.
Put it in four-wheel drive?
Oh, is it?
No.
Where is it?
There.
We are in four-wheel drive. Garage door's closed. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Are we like the first people to try to get out of here? Oh.